Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and GreatWebDesign.com. In this video we're just going to take a look at the Divi theme's visual builder. Now the visual builder makes it really easy to customize your site in real time without the need for going into modules and inputting CSS and different content. Once you've got your site outlined, if we just look at a page here, rather than going into each of these modules and editing information and changing padding and margins and colors and what have you, we can do this all from the live site using the visual builder. So if we actually visit our site, we just go up the top here, hit the visit site button. With the Divi theme, if you notice that the black bar at the top here, we'll hit this little button that says Enable Visual Builder. And once you've enabled it, once you mouse over, you're going to start seeing little icons here that's going to enable you to edit the various different modules. You can simply grab a module, change the padding, or go in and change the text without having to go into your main modules, which is great and can save a lot of time. And when you're working on these things visually like this, it's sometimes easier doing things than it is by guessing when you're not working on the live site itself. As I say, it's very easy to use. You make a few changes, hit the little button at the bottom and hit the save button when you're done with your changes. There's so many things you can do. You can just grab a module like we said before, change the amount of padding that it's got, give it more or less. So you can see you can put it exactly where you want. We'll make that bigger and put our modules in the middle here. Then you can actually select the module itself. You can change the row size. Let's make this 3 rows. So now we've got 3 and we can get rid of this one here. And again, you can just go into the module, change the text as needed without having to go into the editor and do all kinds of things. And if you decide, well, I want 4 modules again, it's very easy to do. Just go in there, change it back to 4. Then we can just duplicate one of these modules here and move it up to where we want it. That's the move tool, this little cross here. If you click on the settings, it'll let you know what's inside that module. There's the title, there's the actual content. If you decide you want to left align it or center align it or change it in any way, make it bold, you can do it via that little tag there. Change the design styles, icons, text, title text, body text, sizing, spacing, border, box shadow, filters, animation. You can even change the animation style on it here. But we're fine with what we've got here. And if you take one of the other sections, again in the settings, if you want to change the background color, really easy. Just select your new color, job done. I mean, how easy is that? Divi really has made things very simple for us by incorporating this live visual builder. If you want to save a module because you want to use it again in another page, just give it a name here and save it to your library. Then you can incorporate it into a new page. Of course, if you want to just delete it, hit the delete button there. If we want to add an image here, we'll just hit the little cog, go to the content, Here's the image URL. Put in whatever image we want there. I'll just select the first one that I see here. And it's entered that image for us. And if we want to link it to something, put the link URL in there. Just link it to one of my websites. And I don't want it open in the same window, so let's in a new tab. That way we stay on the site. Do a quick save there. Now when we click on this image, it should open my website in a new tab. There we have it. So it really does make it very easy for you, and as with anything else with the buttons too, you can just add new links to it. Put that same link in there just to show you. Quick save. Now when I click on that, it'll take us to that website also, or wherever you want it to do. You can link to other modules. Again, let's just change the background color of this section here. Very easy to do. A very odd color scheme I've got going on here, but you get the idea, and it really does make it so easy for you. It's incredible. Let's change this into 2 rows and duplicate it, and we've got 2 beside each other. Then just hit the duplicate button and pull it to where we actually want it to go. And we'll do the same thing with this button. There we go. And we'll just change that background image. And also let's change the link address. And we'll just put in a random one here. This is a YouTube video. Save that. And we'll give the button the same link there. And we want it to open in a new tab. So we'll save that. Let's just change that background color. It's dreadful. That's a bit better. Not much. Anyway, you get the idea. It's really, really easy to do. They really have made it very easy for you to quickly customize your site the way you need it to. And once you're done, just do a quick save just to make sure everything's saved with a little button down there on the right hand side. And go up the top and exit out of your Visual Builder. Now if we look down, everything should be exactly the way that we changed it. So there's a brief tour of the Divi Themes Visual Builder. It really is a great tool, and I encourage you to use it. The Divi theme itself is awesome. You can build any kind of site with it. I've been building sites with Divi for what, 2 or 3 years now, and it's probably the only theme that you need to use. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web design or web development, please take one of our courses below. We have massive discounts for our YouTube subscribers. We also have some great free courses down there. Thanks for watching. Once again, this has been Jamie from System 22 and Great Web Design. Have a great day.